Okay, hello everyone. Today I will introduce this machine for you. This is a high frequency welding machine, and this machine we often use to make the blister and the paper card to package welding. And today I will show you a new materials, a paper card and paper card welding. This is a new environmental friendly materials. It often used on the makeup product. And now I will show you how the machine is running and operation. We can see the machine will make the two more robots. This one is take up the materials, the paper card, and this one will take out the finished product. The machine is full automatic. We can see the robot can take up the materials on the right way. And this one is take out the finished product. This one is the welding effect. The production is very beautiful. If you want to make this product or want to buy this machine, please contact to me. This is my WhatsApp and WeChat number. Thank you.